Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Norm from Langley Chrysler dealership, and let me show you this beautiful 2021 Chrysler Pacifica hybrid version. So what we got here, this is automatic parking feature. So let's pretend this is a road and there's all the vehicles parked over here, and I know there's two spots, and see if the vehicle will spot it, because people sometimes freak out how it works. And then you engage parking mode and you just follow the instruction over here. So you see there's two different parking spot features available. I just need to change to parallel. And what it does, it says computer over screen, you just searching. You just keep driving till the vehicle beeps and there's a message will come up, I found the spot. So we're just gonna keep driving and see if it senses. Here we go. So if you look right now on the screen, what it says, space found. And you just put shift reverse. And that's a freaking feature coming out right now. So what you need to do, move backwards. You see vehicle automatically start to steer, and it comes to, you control obviously the brakes. You're gonna come to the point where it tells you, okay, you need to put back to reverse. And it says stop. So now it's stop, we're putting back to drive, and it's automatically turning. It's a cyborg system. And you keep driving. And then we'll tell you stop. Put back, oh, here we go, stop, put back reverse, and it keeps steering, and you see in the camera, it's ideally going back. So you have full 360 control. You obviously keep control brakings, and if there's anything in the back, the emergency brakings also will come up as a, here we go. That's it, voila. Pretty cool, right? Yes. So what I suggest you, give me a call, give call dealership. Let's get the proposal just to compare. Ask your salesman, can you show me the difference, how much my payments would be between the gasoline vehicle and this a hybrid? And you will be surprised, I promise you that. Text me, call me anytime. My name is Norm and my phone number is 778-321-0453. And Langley Chrysler always welcome to see you and work the best possible deal in the town. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.